Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, stock number E1693P. Only 27,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Just receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights, rear heat and air control, and DVD player. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. All rear windows have sun shades. Backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it into your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. You can also upload music through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Rear DVD player control. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. With heated steering wheel and heated seats. Lots of storage space. And power outlets. Removable center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. Liftgate and sliding door controls. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Town & Country has a 3.6 liter V6. 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.